This is All India Radio, Shillong. The Northeast News Bulletin read by Rahul Chatterjee. As the nationwide free COVID-19 vaccination campaign at government facilities for those above 18 years is underway, we advise our young listeners to get vaccinated and also help others get vaccinated. We also advise our listeners not to lower their guard as COVID-19 remains a threat to our health. Please stay at home unless it is essential to go out and continue to follow these 3 simple steps. Wear a face mask. Maintain 2 gaz ki duri for social distancing. Focus on hand and face hygiene. For any COVID-related information and guidance, contact National Helpline numbers 011-2397-8046 and 1075. And the helpline for Meghalaya is 108 and 1070. And now, the news in detail. In an endeavour to create mass awareness for adoption of climate-resilient technologies, Prime Minister Narendra Modi will dedicate 35 crop varieties with special traits to the nation today at 11 a.m. through video conferencing in a Pan-India program organised at all ICAR institutes, state and central agricultural universities and Krishi Vigyan Kendras. During the program, the Prime Minister will also dedicate to the nation the newly constructed campus of National Institute of Biotic Stress Tolerance, Raipur. On the occasion, the Prime Minister will distribute Green Campus Award to agricultural universities as well as interact with farmers who use innovative methods and will address the gathering. The Union Minister of State for Rural Development and Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution, Sadhvi, Niranjan, Jyoti, held an interaction with officials of Rural Development and Panchayat Raj and Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution of Government of Manipur in Imphal yesterday. The Union Minister of State is on a 2-day visit in the state. During the review meeting, the state officials highlighted the achievement under various central schemes. The Union Minister lauded the rural development works undertaken in the state under the Rural Development and Panchayati Raj Department and instructed the officials for compulsory Aadhaar linkage for beneficiaries to avail benefits under government schemes, including National Food Security Act. Union Minister Sarbananda Sonowal was declared elected to the Rajya Sabha from Assam uncontested yesterday as no other candidate filed nomination papers for the seat. Sonowal collected the winner's certificate yesterday from the Assam Assembly Secretariat at Dispur in presence of Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma, State BJP President Bhabesh Kalitha and Water Resources Minister Piyush Hazarika. Sonowal thanked all the members of the Assembly and the people of the state. Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad Sangma yesterday awarded mobility support to an entrepreneur who is a person with disability, Justi Passing Ryntathiang from West Khasi Hills District. Ryntathiang came to limelight after the recent e-Challenge Entrepreneur program at which he had won an award for the entrepreneur work that he was doing. After seeing the challenges he faced to move around to cope with his day-to-day life, the Chief Minister announced that the government would provide some mobility support to him. The Chief Minister was hopeful that wheelchair will help Ryntathiang in his entrepreneurial ventures. The wheelchair was bought under the Chief Minister's special grant and the total expenditure was Rs 90,000. Dr. Nalin Mehta has been appointed as Director of Northeastern Indira Gandhi Regional Institute of Health and Medical Sciences. Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad Sangma wished the newly appointed director Godspeed in a tweet. The former director, Dr. D.M. Thapa, faced backlash after standoff between the Faculty of Cardiology Department and the administration. The state government had to even intervene due to the crisis. And in Manipur, 116 persons were confirmed as new COVID-19 positive cases yesterday. On the other hand, 1 person expired due to COVID-19 positive. He was not vaccinated. Meanwhile, 129 COVID-19 patients were discharged. The total number of recovered cases is 1,16,042 and the total positive case is 1,20,000. The recovery rate is 96.7%. The active cases stand at 2,111. The number of doses of COVID-19 vaccine administered till yesterday is 16,71,136, including 4,51,504 second doses. And with that, we end the Northeast News Bulletin, which came to you from All India Radio, Shillong. Have a nice day.